Roadworks on the A1. Quite a long queue as well. Traffic light system. It's Friday, not so much foot down Friday as you can see. I've got to live in and I've got to go into Glasgow, so I'll hook back on again once I've finished with Livingston and take you into United Wholesales Glasgow. Exit 1A in 2 miles. Nice day. I've not been to this one before. As usual, it's not really designed for class 1s. Not really. It's big enough, but just stop here. Okay, it's off to Bartlett's from here. One pallet, no one around really, good little warehouse, nice staff, straight on the back for us. Well, I've just dragged it, hardly any weight, so I've just wrapped the strap around it and pulled it to the front. See if messing on with a pallet pump trunk. See if messing on with Donald Trump. So it's Bartlett's. Not a good time. Nearest. This is what you call a lane splitter, as you can see. It is tight, little bend, so just you got to watch the street furniture and things like this. Street furniture, I mean traffic lights, cones, bollards, fence. That's what they like to say is classed as street furniture. Making sure no one can get around the side of us, although they probably still will try. I've got one on my left here, he's looking keen. I've just done enough to block them from getting through. If he attempts to squeeze through here on us, then obviously I'll brake, but if I kicked him, it would be his own fault. Right, he thought twice. Wow, tight. Colin, thanks for the cake. I call you fat and you give me chocolate cake? Can do for me, kid. I didn't say you were fat though, so you're looking a little bit chunky. Time of day, it's like 4 o'clock nearly, 4:15 to Glasgow. cautious because of the amount of fuel spilt on the ground there. And I'm coming down here. So once again I'm splitting. I'm on an amber. I'm over here. So yeah, another new drop. Not bad at all really, just be on the ball of course, and if it's rush hour traffic it'll be particularly, well, if you've not done it before you'll be like, oh. So hopefully if anybody has to go to United Wholesales there, this has helped. Catch you down the hill folk.